Hi guys, it's Enchanted Moon. Welcome to my channel. I have Witchy unboxing for you. I was going to wait till tomorrow to do it, but I can't wait. It's been a long day, but when I get something in the mail, I have to open it right away. I'm a big baby like that. So, this is the Witch's Moon, the Witch's Bounty from the Witch's Moon for March. It smells so good. I wish you can smell. Our theme is the Lucky Lotus. The Lucky Lotus for March. Right on top we have our book of shadow sheet. And this is really pretty. Look how beautiful this is. I'm trying to make sure there's no shine on it. There we go. That is so pretty, guys. It's a beautiful book of shadow sheet. Really pretty. And then we have, looks like our ritual oil. And our ritual oil. Here we go. Is called Bringer of Blessings. Bringer of Blessings ritual oil. And then we have our lovely candle. And we have a pretty like green. That's a pretty color green. I like that. It's almost like a sage green. Very pretty. Goes with this nice too. Matches nice. Then we have a pretty green bag. It's like that sage color bag as well. And we have a rough stone in here. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna guess maybe emerald, but I don't know. Some pretty rough stone. And then we have forest essence is our incense. That's what I'm smelling. It smells so good. Forest incense. Oh, forest essence. It smells so good. And we have a black cord. This one, no, this one's gray. But it's like this, but in black. Let's see. So yes, we have our black cord with the sterling silver lobster claw. And then our main item of our box is in this big gold box. It's pretty big. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is a big pendant. Whoa. Let me see what this looks like. And I take it out of here. Wow, this is the back, silver. And then this is going to be your front. Oops, let me get it turned around. Pretty bell. It's got a lot of scroll work on the bell. Usually they put stones on the bell, but I don't think, oh, there might be a stone on there. Oh, there is. It's just very, I think it's like clear. I'll find out. And then we have the beautiful lotus. I don't know what it's made out of. Very pretty, very detailed. With sterling all around. Very pretty sterling. And then we have more scroll work here with, looks like a crystal quartz, or maybe, excuse me, maybe Lamarian. Let's see what this is. It says sterling silver pendant, white topaz is on top here, in there, and it's it's a tagonut, and this is quartz. This is called a tagunut, tagunut, tagunut. And up there is your white topaz on the bale. There, you can see it there. That is big. A lot of silver on this for sure. Whoa. A lot of silver on top. Very beautiful. Wow, that's different. Very different, beautiful piece. Wow. Very gorgeous. All right, let's see. The fresh scent of the rainwater soaking into the forest floor fills your senses. The rain turns to drizzle, and the thin vibrant rays of the sun begin to reach for the blessings of the leaf's touch. A slight flash of light captures your eyes from beneath the puddle you find yourself standing in. You reach down to pick up the talisman, only to find the flowering leaf of a single lotus. Every aspect of this project was intentionally crafted to be a potent amulet of the lucky, the prosperous, and the bountiful. May these items become true treasures to those who invite them in their practice. The magical items in this box is as follows. The Lucky Lotus Pendant, chosen to act as an earth guide. This Lucky Lotus Pendant portrays symbols that resonate deeply within the inner comfort, grounding, and nourishment. The lotus has been delicately crafted out of a tagunut, which is represented as the sacred nut of life. In many indigenous South African cultures, the tagunut is considered to be a symbol of our life cycle due to its spherical shape. Tagunut portrays the essence of birth, death, and rebirth. As a gift from Great Mother, the tagunut provides a direct connection with the abundant powers of nature. As a nurture where all things exist in harmony and hold spiritual significance, the tagunut can be worn to bring balance and inner peace to the wearer, as well as attract prosperity and abundance. In addition, it allows for your intentions to grow, enhancing our ability to communicate with our guides. The symbol of the lotus holds several meanings, enhancing our abilities to communicate with our guides. The symbol of the lotus holds several meanings, with most association around purity, as the lotus grows without blemishes from the murky and muddy soil. The process from which it is born holds such deep meaning in our lives as we work to overcome adversity and are reborn through the cycles of life. As you gaze upon this symbol, allow its positive characteristics to draw you towards a state of comfort and understanding. Then it says, the bringer of blessings, magical anointing oil, has been crafted to enhance your ability to attract these outcomes through the incorporation of natural allies and earthly guardians. It is created with a blend of oils of sandalwood, cedarwood, and vanilla, along with jasmine, elderflower, and chamomile flowers. Then the forest essence ritual sticks reside with the essence of the forest. What wonders can be found there? Then this is an emerald stone. Carries the burden to the heavy thoughts of emotion, making space for inspiration and interest to take place. Then we have our candle. This is a hand-rolled Miracle Mother beeswax candle. We call upon the earthly energies of the great Miracle Mother. May her blessings surround us and bring life to our purpose and passions. This hand-rolled spell candle is created for you to resonate with the Miracle Mother, the fortress of earthly wisdom. May the blessings grow with the light of this flame. And of course, our Technut Goddess Book of Shadow Sheet by A.E. Alden, always done beautiful. And yes, that is our March's Bounty from the Witch's Moon. Another gorgeous piece, as always. I will leave the information down below, guys. Thanks for watching.